Right, we'll have.
Oh, sorry, Todd,
if we
one
go
thing.
in.
You're now in the second tent. There's an arsenal in there.
What if we wanted to be in the first tent?
Well, tough. That's my tent.
Okay.
Hawkins, he's right there.
Okay, I got you. You're safe now.
Thank you,
Hawkins, he's right
my
there.
life.
It's okay. You're safe now.
Hawkins, get down.
Okay, you're safe. I got him. Oh, magazine. There's a guy right in front of me. Oh, thank you, Hawkins. You saved my life. Oh, okay.
How come I get the worst view in the vehicle?
Well, Cactus is us.
That's the best view, if anything.
It's vape.
Yeah, it's vape. Yeah, who is that?
It's Hawkins. Hawkins likes vaping.
Hawkins, why you vaping?
It keeps. It keeps.
Get ready.
It keeps the PTSD away.
It does.
This is 1-1. Send it.
No.
Wrong. This is 1-2. Send it.
Man down. You're good, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Fox.
I'm all good here. Oh, he's up! He's up! He's up!
Who is she?
Major run like Halloween. Got the lead on lovely fields of Panashanders. Oh man, love that song.
Yep. I mean, I'm not even gonna convoy speed. I'm just gonna drive because there's no way we're gonna get up to speed.
Tell them how you slew them Larops 2x2.
Like the Zulus, they had a spear, a bow, and arrows.
Tell them how they ran away.
Tell them, what is it? Something about a 16-pounder gun.
Yeah, how you fuck. We need karaoke sessions in the unit.
Look with your mic, it's not your accent.
One building has eyes on us, so I would like to go in a fast jog. So double tap C to move.
Alright.
Right, double tap G, we're going fast jog.
C, not G, not G, not G.
Oh shit, there's 2 patrols. Second patrol, one. Oh no, that's friendlies. Never mind.
Something spacing reminders, something.
Yeah. He's kind of hard, right? He's moving.
Big one! Take us behind those rocks.
Moving behind the rocks!
Keep going! You're good! You're good! You're good! And stop! Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches.